Welcome to my first series where I'll be fixing and modding this on a budget to be a capable crawler on a tiny budget. I have no skill set work on vehicles besides the basic of airing tires, checking oil, changing tires. Basics, like super basics. I don't know welding. I don't know DC wiring. I don't know how to tune a carburetor. Nothing. So, join me while I struggle fixing this with no money. That's my project. If you want to see if that makes it, or you want to see me make mistakes and break things, follow and subscribe. Until next time.